Hi guys, and welcome to another video for Italian for Americans. And today together the objective is to discover 5 common pronunciation mistakes that I see many Americans make while trying to speak Italian. I hope this is gonna help you to avoid them and to understand them better. Mistake number 1 is R and double R. Una rosa rossa, a red rose. Burro e marmellata, butter and jam. The trilled Italian R is pronounced by vibrating the tip of the tongue just behind the upper teeth. A double R as in burro, butter, or in correre, to run, is just a longer trill, while a single R as in rosa, rose, is a short single vibration. The second very common mistake is GN, N. N is like a single sound. These two consonants plus a vowel make a single sound, and the G is silent. It's similar to the NY sound that you make when you pronounce canyon. Some words with the GN sound are gnocchi, lasagne, and ragno, spider. The third very common mistake is GLI, gli. Another hard combination to pronounce in Italian is gli, as in aglio, garlic, miglia, miles, meglio, better. This sound is very similar to the double L that you pronounce in million. Try now to pay close attention to my mouth. Aglio, aglio, garlic, miglia, miglia, mile, meglio, meglio, better. You see how it's similar to million? 100 million. Okay, it's very similar. The fourth mistake is the letter C. When talking about the letter C, we have to make a distinction, because C plus A, O, U is pronounced like K. For example, in casa, home. The English equivalent will be cat, while C plus E and I is pronounced like CH, like in certo, certo, sure. The English equivalent here will be chase, but in che, chi is pronounced like K, as in kilo, kilo, and anche, anche, also. The English equivalent here will be kilo or kept. The mistake number 5 is the letter G. With the letter G, we have the same distinction that we made with the letter C, because G plus A, O, or U is hard like in gatto, cat. The English equivalent here will be goat. G plus E and I is soft like in gelato, ice cream, gelato. The English equivalent here will be jar. But again, in ge and gi, the sound is hard due to the H, as in fungi, fungi, mushrooms. And the English equivalent here will be geek. Okay guys, I hope that this helped you understand the 5 common mistakes that Americans make while trying to speak Italian. And if you're making them, don't worry, just be aware of it while you will read Italian or speak Italian. And being aware while you listen to the language, you will detect faster where you're making pronunciation mistakes, even exposing yourself a lot to comprehensible input. And with time, your brain will fix them for you. But be aware, because that's the first step to fix it. If you want to learn Italian using the natural method, always remember that you have a free gift in the description that you can download. There's a link, you click on it, then you leave your email. We send you the gift directly in your email, and check the spam if you don't find it, because sometimes it ends up there. And that's a very nice gift with an audio, the dialogue, the explanations, the transcript and translation, which is gonna help you take the first step in learning Italian properly through the natural method, so that these pronunciation mistakes will be avoided, because you will be doing the right thing in learning the language. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe for free. And if you enjoyed this type of video, leave a like and I will do more like this. I'll see you the next week and thank you for watching.